Galaxy Z Flip 5 is going to come with the biggest update this year, and finally we have a first set of hands-on video of Galaxy Z Flip 5. But let me tell you something very important. There are some misinformation people are receiving after the hands-on video. While this new video is leaked by /leaks, and these are the dummy units of Galaxy Z Flip 5. Another most important, these dummies comes with two color black and white, but the cover display on the white looks ugly to be very honest. And luckily this color is not coming. As I shared this information before and now even Anthony confirmed it, Galaxy Z Fold 5 only one side will be colored, the other side will be all black. And look at the black version of the dummy, it looks much better than what we have seen on the white one, and Samsung take the right decision to make it all black. It looks much better. Obviously, if you are getting one-sided black, you are not going to see a bespoke edition on the Galaxy Z Flip 5. The display size on the Flip 5 will be 3.4 inches, but looking at the dummy, it looks smaller, or maybe with the all black it will look better. Moreover, everyone is talking about the Hinge of Flip 5. As per dummy videos, it looks like Samsung didn't achieve the target with the Flip 5, but I have a different opinion on this, which you guys might agree. Samsung is going to use a new water drop hinge, which we all know. Even Fold 5 leaked images are out which shows a flat folded design, as it is impossible to get this much gap between the displays by getting a water drop hinge. It looks more like a U-shape hinge used on Flip 4. So either these dummies are using a U-shape hinge or Samsung just sucks at updating the hinge on Flip 5, but you have to wait until we actually see the design. Although Samsung tried its best with the cover display as they collab with the Google for better optimization of Google apps, including Google Maps, YouTube, and many more Google apps. In some regions, we're going to see the price hike on Flip 5, but the United States, we're going to see the same price as last year. But to keep the effect a little, Samsung is going to offer some great PR deals on the Flip 5, where if you reserve now, you can get $50 Samsung credit. And in some regions, Samsung is offering double storage option, where if you pre-order 256 gigs version, you're going to get 512 gigs version on Flip 5. Samsung is going to launch Flip 5 along with the Fold 5 on July 26, 7 AM Eastern Time. If you guys are concerned about the price of Galaxy Z Flip 5, then you should watch this video, and if you enjoy the content, take a moment to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. I will see you next time. Till then, peace out.